How to fix software updates stuck on Samsung Smart TV. So the first step you could do in order to fix your issue is that you can unplug your TV and then plug it in back in. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that check if you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If not, you can turn off your router and then turn it back on again. Now, another step in order to fix your issue is that go to Settings, then choose All Settings. Now, from here, swipe down below and go to Support. Then go to Device Care. Now, from here, you'll see the option of Reset Smart Hub. You can select on this option in order to fix your issue. Now, the last step you could do in order to fix your issue is that from Settings, go to General and Privacy. From here, you'll see the option of Time. Select on it. Now, from here, make sure that the date and time is correct according to your region and location. And then you can go back and try updating your smart TV software again. So follow these easy steps in order to fix your issue. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.